Hi, this is Ryan with Optrua, and today I'm going to talk about system views versus personal view. When you look at your view dropdown, you can see, like in my case, it says system views, and then here's kind of a cleaned up list of views that I have to work with. But what if I want to change something just for me? Then that gives me a personal view. So let me show you how that works. So I could start with my open opportunities. I could edit filters, but in this case, I want to just add a different column and remove a column. So I want to add my forecast category, and I want to push that up, and in my case, I don't want the probability. So then now I have customized this view, and you can see I have the forecast category right where I want it. Shows me pipeline or best case or whatnot. Notice that my view now has an asterisk at the end that shows I've changed something. So now Microsoft has just made some enhancements here. So if you're using something prior to the last patch, you can come and say, hey, create view here, and then save it. Save as a new view. And I'm going to say this is my, say, custom opportunities. Save that. And then now I'll have this my open opportunity view, which has my pipeline forecast on it. And I have the standard one, which had the probability on it. And you can see now I have a my views section open, and I have a system views section. So one of the new enhancements that Microsoft has made has they've cleaned up that interface a little bit, and they've added it to the bottom here. So if you're an old timer and you're looking for advanced find or create views, verify that maybe there's some settings that have been changed. So in the Power Platform Admin Center, when you can go into features and settings, you can come down to look at the advanced find options. And if you turn this on, you'll see that the create view button shifts and can now be found underneath the view selector. Let me show you how that looks. Okay, so the brand new experience with personal views or my views are if you pull the view drop down and show the values, you can see there's a manage and share views option at the bottom. So this takes the place of the create views option that you might have found at the end of the standard menu bar. So I'm going to go ahead and click manage shared views, and you'll notice that I now have two my open opportunities view. So you'll notice that this one has the ability to hide, and these ones don't have that option. You can actually turn that off and set that back on the Power Platform Admin Center. But I want to take and actually do some things here with this. I could share it. So this is my personal view. I could set it as the default. Let me do that. I'm going to actually edit the info, and I'm going to call this, before when I said call it my custom, I just put it in the description. Let me actually put it here as well, or I'll put it my personal opportunities. Save that. And so now I have my default view. It's not a system view, it's a personal view that I've created. I'm going to apply that. And now you'll be able to see, let me just do a quick refresh. We can see the my opportunities view. It says it's a personal view, it's at the top, and the default didn't take. Let me try that once again. Set as default. Okay, I might not have hit apply. Let me apply it this time. And now you can see that the my personal opportunities is the default view. And all that means is when I first click into a table, that default is the first one that comes up. So just a quick overview on personal views versus system views. Hope that was helpful. Thanks for watching.